Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, the Stock Analyst. This video is regarding 3 penny stock. So first one will be AHT, the next one will be SENS, and the third one will be IDEX. So 3 of these penny stocks are doing really good. So last week they had a good run up, and I just want to do some kind of technical analysis just to show you the overall trend, the support, the resistance, and at what point you should buy or sell and just hold or just don't do anything. So if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, today is Sunday. I plan to make back-to-back videos on AMC, BlackBerry, Wish, Glove, and so on, and by the way SNDL as well. So stay tuned. Please subscribe to get my future videos and select the all notifications so that you get whenever I post a video or I go live, you get real-time notification. So let's start. The first one is AHT, and if you have been following this or you are watching YouTube, you might see people are now covering AHT. So first of all, what is happening? I'm showing you a 1 hour chart. So you can see that since 19th of May it was around $3, and this thing is finally going up. So the black two lines, this is the upward momentum. You see, this is the trend, right? It is going up and up. Yes, it goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, and the last time it is coming down, but again it seems like it found a support. So let me draw some lines, so just to give you a sense about the lines. So first of all, I think looking just from here, maybe I'll just change the scale here, right? So that was the last time it hit a resistance, came down, and again last day it found a support around 5.98. let's say it is $6, just $6. Okay, what is the next one? I think the next one would be, or just have another bottom one, maybe it will also not be bad idea. So $5 was another one, so 5, 6, and if it can maintain the 6, this is good. What can happen if the trend is continuing? This thing can come and hit $6 again, or it might move sideways, or it might move around 6.2, 6.3. as long it is not coming below the purple line or it is not coming below the black line, this is okay. It is perfectly okay to move sideways or come a little bit down and come here and bounce, then go up. So that is okay, don't worry. On the other hand, look at the upper side, just trying to be conservative around 7.3. so as long it is moving between 6 and 7.3, no issue at all. Now look at a bigger picture. If I just zoom out, let's move to 2 hour chart. Let's see from where these resistance are coming. So the $6 I drew here, right? See, the last time it has a resistance around 5.67, but look at this area here. Look at this area, 6.3 or 6.1 does not matter, but so many times it was previously a support, right? Then that support became a resistance, then again that became a support the last day. So looking good. What is above that? And the next line we have is 7.3. look at the resistance here, 7.3, 7.3, so many resistance, and again it was a resistance here. So what if we go over 7.3? so I just want to draw a line here, I think somewhere here around 8.75, or if you want one more, if we are just doing some kind of day trading, maybe around 8. So this thing looking very nice, you see. So let's come back here again. So going forward, if it comes back to 6, you can buy, and if you want to hold longer, yeah, 6.1 would be one support, 6.2 is okay, but on its way to going up, 7.3, 8, 8.75. on the other hand, if the chart is broken, if $6 is broken, it might come back to $5, and if it comes to $5, and if you believe, just buy more. On the other hand, if you want it to come even way down, in case you want to buy more, I think another one would be around 3.5. I'm not saying it will come back to 3.5, just for the sake of the chart I'm just drawing the support and resistance so you get a clear idea where things can go. Sometimes the market is terrible, this thing can come down just for 2 seconds and bounced off. So sometimes it is also good to set some limit buy order if you know the bottom support. So in that case, maybe in 1 hour you will see it comes down, you buy it and it goes back, you are in profit. So that's the overall thing. Just looking at the daily, let me show you a daily. So on a daily RSI, look at the RSI, it is over 70. Anything over 70 is overbought. Look here, last time it went to 80, then it came back. You see a big red candle, so from 80 it came back to 70, again it went up. So it is okay to come down or move sideways because the RSI is overbought. So it might come down or it moves sideways, or you can see it, this thing will cool off. But I'm not saying this is not a good stock, or I'm not saying this thing will come down, but just look at the trend, right? So just keeping the trend, this thing needs to go higher and higher. So 100 is the max. Currently it is sitting at 73. Yes, it can go a little bit, but it is okay when you see it move sideways and it moves downward, so you can understand when the trend is reversing. I just wanted to show you. The next one is SENS. So in my channel I have been covering SENS for some time. It was around 2.5, 3. Last time I made a video on 2.8, then 3.5, and so on, right? So the good thing is this thing is also just doing really great. Last week it was doing really great. So it started from 2.5, it went to 3.2, 3.78, and in my last video I talked, the latest video I talked, if you want to check my previous video to know more about this particular company, I talked about the company, why it is going up, why it will go even higher. So I was talking about the 3.78 support. It needs to be held, and the good thing is you see so many red candles, 1 hour red candles, but it came and boom, it just bounced from this particular one. So as long 3.78 is held strong, then this thing has found a good support. On the other hand, going up, what will be the next resistance? I think some kind of resistance around 4.2, but 4.36 I see some kind of resistance. Just looking at the previous time in mid-February, it went to 4.3, 4.4 area and came back. But again, once 4.4 is broken, this thing is bound to go towards 5 and 5.5. Keep that in mind. Whenever the result for 180-day FDA approval will come, this thing will fly. On the other hand, it has made lots of movement within few days. You see, from beginning of June, from $2 it went to $4, almost doubled. It is also okay if it cools down a little bit, and with the market things can change. Look at the RSI, same thing. The RSI went up, then the next day came down, again is pointing up, and currently it is at 77. And you see, whenever it goes too much, it needs to come down, right? You see here, it went here 93, came down, went to 95, came down. So whenever it goes up, it needs to come down. So also keep an eye. We love our stock to go higher and higher, but it can go higher each and every day. So this is okay if it moves sideways or if it comes down. Look at the candle here. You see the body is so thin. It has a long wick, bottom wick, and a top wick, so it can come down. That's the only thing I'm just talking, and that is why it is very important for you to know the support 3.78, 3.2, 3.5, this area, in case you want to buy more on the dip or on the red days. I'm not saying anything bad. I'm really bullish on this particular one. I'm holding, but just want to show you that things can go each and every day green. There is always a down day, and those red days are your shopping day, or you can say your sale on discount. Okay, the last one is IDEX. Again, making so many videos on IDEX. Please check my last video if you want. I talked about this one. So just looking at this, so you remember these two black lines here, that was a downward trend, we broke it. But the thing is, I also shared an article that this thing moves between 2.5 and 3.5. We were so excited that finally 3.5 is going to be broken. It went to 3.66 and again coming down, and 3.14. It's a long-term hold. It has a price target of $7 by Roth Capital. But again, if it comes down from 3.14, it might come down to $3. Look at $3. It was hit by $3 so many times. So very important to hold $3 as a support. As long it comes down and bounce from the $3, that will be a good thing. It will be a confirmation of 3 is the new support. but in case 3 is broken, this thing can come down to 2.6, 2.5 and so on. But keep that in mind. If it comes down and if you are long, please buy more share. You can always set some limit buy order and you can get more share. The important thing is we have to hold $3 as a support and we have to break 3.5 as a resistance, because 3.5, you see so many times 3.5 was acted as a resistance. So once 3.5 is broken, this thing will go to 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5. Let me look at the RSI like the previous two penny stocks, and look at here, sorry, on a daily candle, this thing is still rising and not bad. This is at 51, not even at 70. Yes, this thing can easily go like the previous two, AHT and SENS. They are really high in terms of RSI, but this one is still looking good. But I think this thing will come back to $3. It will retest $3. Then if $3 is held strong, this thing will bounce back again. So anyway, my friend, so these are the 3 penny stock I will be keeping an eye this coming week. At the same time, I'm going to upload another video on BlackBerry and AMC, because I think they will explode this week. At the same time, Wish, another one, I'm betting on Wish, and also I think SNDL end of the day. So anyway, if you find this kind of video, then please subscribe to my channel. I also have a community, you can always join and get some early access to chart news and everything. At the same time, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button, and thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.